Hey guys, welcome back to Super Tech Services. We got another quick video for today. I'm going to show you how to default your scan and copy settings using the home screen. So just go ahead and hit scan fax and just enter the settings that you want defaulted. So I'm just changing it to 400 DPI, grayscale. Let's switch it to compact PDF. And basically this is what you want to do. You want to set your settings like so. Go back to menu, hit utility, user settings, scan settings, and under default scan settings, change that to current setting and hit OK. Now what that's going to do, like you'll see here, is everything now will be defaulted to what you just set it at. So you no longer have to keep setting it over and over and over again. You'll just go back to scan fax and you'll see it'll be set to 400 DPI every time, grayscale, compact PDF, and anything else that you want set to, it will be set to. So that's pretty cool, so you don't have to painstakingly keep going back and forth. Now let's do it for the copy settings. So just go back to the main menu here, hit copy, and then set your default settings like I said before. So say you want to default to black. Let's see if we want to change a paper tray. We'll leave it at 4 since there's paper in there. If you want to change the zoom, you can change the duplex 1 to 2 sided. Any setting will work. Let's do finishing. Let's set it to stapling there. Alright, now that we have everything set, go back to menu, utility, user settings. This time go to copier settings and default to current setting. Just like so, press OK. Hit the reset button. Go back to copy and just check everything again, make sure that it's set, and it should be. Just like so. And if you need to individually just go back and change them, you can. And then in a second here I'm going to show you guys how to go back and completely go back to factory settings just in case you want to get rid of everything. So just go back to home, utility, user settings, copier settings, default copier settings, and then switch back to factory default. You can do this on scan as well. And after you do that, hit panel reset and everything will disappear and just go right back to its default. Appreciate it, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.